These new relationships, trash. Microwave love. Everybody want heat, nobody wanna wait. Soon as it get uncomfortable, they out. Soon as feelings need effort, they call it toxic. And run like healing don't require work. Nobody wanna talk it through. Nobody wanna sit in the mess. Everybody allergic to accountability, but addicted to starting over. They ghost instead of growing, block instead of building. Call it protecting my peace, when really they just protecting their fear of being seen. Love ain't supposed to be easy, it's supposed to be intentional. Resolve don't come from perfection, it comes from choosing each other. After the flaw shows up, back then people fall for connection. Now they fight feelings soon as love asks for patience. They say, I'm not ready. Like readiness don't come from staying. These new relationships, cheap material, fall apart in the wash, cause nobody reads the care instructions. I still believe in repair and conversations that hurt but heal, and love that stays seated until understanding walks in. Call me old school, I call it real.